Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home, है ना बच्चों? ध्यान रखिए अपना, कोरोना बाहर रेवाड़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में भी आ गया है ना, तो यू मस्ट बी सेफ एट योर होम एंड हेल्दी. Student, as you know कि we have completed with the chemical properties of metals. So from today we are going to discuss the chemical properties of non-metals. Non-metals, बच्चों, like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, these are the non-metals. These non-metals have the tendency to gain the electrons. And when the non-metal gain the electron, it acquire the negatively charged. And that negatively charged ion is known as anions. So non-metals are electronegative. That means they have the tendency to gain the electron, and by gaining they form the negatively charged ion known as anions. Like you see oxygen, atomic number is 8, electronic configuration is 2 6. It have the tendency to gain 2 electrons to complete its octet. So it gain 2 electrons and acquire O2 negative, negatively charged ion. Similarly, Cl, chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287. It has the tendency to gain 1 electron and acquire the negatively charged and form the negatively charged ion. So non-metals are electronegative. एंड जो गेन करते हैं उनका क्या होता है? रिडक्शन. और जिनका रिडक्शन होता है तो दे आर, दीज नॉन मेटल्स आर बिहेव लाइक द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट जो दूसरों का क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीडेशन एंड इटसेल्फ अंडरगो रिडक्शन. और रिडक्शन याद हो आपको, ऑयल रिग. ऑयल रिग फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आ चुका है. ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स लॉस, रिडक्शन मीन गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. तो यहाँ पर गेन हो रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, तो इस इनका नॉन मेटल का खुद क्या हो रहा है? रिडक्शन. एंड दे एक्ट लाइक द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. बेस्ड अपॉन दीज properties, non-metal, how they react, how they show chemical reaction. Let's see. First chemical reaction is reaction with oxygen. As you know we have studied the chemical properties of metals, और उसमें हमने पढ़ा कि metals ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं तो मेटल ऑक्साइड बनाते हैं, और जिनका नेचर बेसिक था. लेकिन सिमिलरली यहाँ पर non-metals react with oxygen, they form the oxide, non-metallic oxides. But the nature of these non-metallic oxide is what? Acidic. ये बात ध्यान रखनी है. Non-metal and metal both form the oxide, but the nature of oxide will differ. The metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Like C, carbon, C plus O2. What it form? On heat it forms CO2. Like sulfur, acid, a non-metal, it will react. What it form on heating? SO2. Like this you can balance a reaction, है ना? But there are two exception. CO, carbon monoxide, and N2O. These oxides are neutral in nature. These are also non-metallic oxide, but these are neutral. These are neutral. Most of the oxide are acidic, but these two are neutral oxides. How you see कि suppose we form the solution, we can dissolve this non-metallic oxide CO2 into water. It form what? Carbonic acid. A acidic solution is formed. When you react this sulfur dioxide, a oxide, non-metallic oxide, with water or form a solution of it, it forms sulfurous acid. Not sulfuric, sulfurous acid. And this is what? Carbonic acid. So when you dissolve these non-metal oxide into water, they form the acidic solution. This confirms that कि non-metal oxide are acidic in nature. Clear with the one type of reaction of non-metal? With non-metal with the oxygen they form the oxides, and these oxides are acidic. Like carbon a non-metal react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, sulfur to form sulfur dioxide. Similarly, phosphorus form phosphorus pentaoxide, nitrogen to form nitrogen oxides, and these oxides are acidic in nature. How you come to know the nature of the solution? When you dissolve these oxides into the water, they form the acidic solution. Or you can check with the help of litmus paper. You can dip the blue litmus paper into these solutions or these non-metallic solutions. You come to know that blue litmus paper turns into red. This confirms that these non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. But these two non-metal oxides like carbon monoxide and nitrous oxide, these are neutral oxides. Clear? Now we come to the second chemical property of non-metal, that is what? Reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. मेटल से कंपेयर करूं, मेटल हाइड्रोजन के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, दे फॉर्म द हाइड्राइड, मेटल हाइड्राइड, बट द नेचर ऑफ मेटल हाइड्राइड इज आयनिक. Similarly, these non-metals also react with the hydrogen, and they also form the what? Hydrides. And the nature of this hydride is covalent. ये बात ध्यान रखनी है. तो these non-metal with the hydrogen to form the covalent hydrides like nitrogen. It will react with the hydrogen. It form what? It form ammonia. Ammonia is a covalent compound. It is formed by the sharing of electron. Now we balance this reaction like that. Like carbon, you react it with hydrogen. It form what? Methane. A covalent compound is formed. Similarly, you will react these non-metal with the hydrogen. They form the covalent compounds or the covalent hydrides, which are formed by the sharing of electrons. Clear? Now we come to the third chemical properties of the non-metal, reaction with the acids. मेटल में याद होगा आपको, एसिड के साथ जब हम मेटल्स को रिएक्ट करते हैं, दे विल रिलीज द हाइड्रोजन गैस. द मेटल विच लाइज अबाउ द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज, दे विल डिस्प्लेस द हाइड्रोजन एंड रिलीज द हाइड्रोजन गैस. और याद हो आपको एक बात, मेटल इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करते हैं और वो इलेक्ट्रॉन जो मेटल ने लूज किया वो एसिड का H पॉजिटिव उनको एक्सेप्ट करता है एंड इट विल रिलीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस. बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल you will find एसिड के साथ हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज नहीं होती. नॉन मेटल with the acid they will oxidized. Suppose non metal आप ले लीजिए, suppose I take nitrogen N2 and you want to react it with HCl. यहां पर H2 गैस रिलीज नहीं होगी बिकॉज नॉट, यहां पर क्या है, H पॉजिटिव ऑफ द एसिड. मेटल में क्या था कि मेटल में इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है मेटल और इस H पॉजिटिव को दे देता है. ये H पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करके H पॉजिटिव में रिड्यूस हो जाता था. बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन मेटल ऑलरेडी क्या है, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, वो खुद ही इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहे हैं. तो इस H पॉजिटिव के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा कहां से, कोई डोनर ही नहीं है. ये भी एक्सेप्टर है, ये भी एक्सेप्टर है. इस H पॉजिटिव को इलेक्ट्रॉन कहीं से मिलेगा ही नहीं, ये रिड्यूस H एटम की फॉर्म में होगा ही नहीं. और जब H पॉजिटिव एटम से रिड्यूस H एटम में नहीं होगा तो हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज नहीं होगी. सो रीजनिंग टाइप क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट कि why the hydrogen gas is not released when the non-metal react with the acid, because acid, the non-metal are already electronegative. They have the tendency to gain the electrons, and H positive also have the tendency to gain the electrons. So they are not able to reduce the H positive atom or ion into the hydrogen atom. But Non-metal, they will oxidize upon heating with the acids, like you take nitrogen with the H2SO4 in the concentrated form. On heating it will reduce to NO2 plus H2O plus SO2. Oxidation होगा, but there is not a such type of reaction, displacement or hydrogen gas not released during this reaction. Clear? Now we come to the next one. Reaction with, like suppose what type of compound it form? Reaction with chlorine. If you want to react the hydrogen with the suppose hydrogen with the chlorine, it form HCl. Yes. You want to react the non-metal with the chlorine, it form the chlorides. And the nature of these chloride is covalent. So it form the covalent types of compound. Clear? मैं आपको एक रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ मेटल और नॉन मेटल की प्रॉपर्टीज में कंपैरेटिवली, तो आपको ध्यान हो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में मेटल नॉन मेटल है ना. ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्शन में दे फॉर्म बेसिक ऑक्साइड. They form mostly are acidic but some are neutral, है ना. They are electropositive, they are negative, they have the tendency to gain the electron. Third, with the acid they release hydrogen gas but they does not release, even they oxidize. Next, with the hydrogen they form the ionic hydrides, and these form the covalent hydrides. Clear? So ये है हमारी chemical properties of metals and non-metal. I hope student you will understand these chemical property with the help of these video. Student, if you like this video, please press the like button and comment me in the comment box. I will answer all the question, all the queries of you. Thank you so much.